is a primary management activity which is concerned with reducing, controlling, eliminating hazards from the industries or industrial units. Okay, in the industrial safety, so we have to consider the three things: reducing, controlling, and eliminating hazards. So first we have to reduce almost everything what where the safety important, and second one is controlling. So we have to control the thing for the with hazardous things. Okay, yeah. So what is the definition of this one? Industrial safety. So industrial safety is defined as policies and protections put in a place to ensure plant and factory worker protection from the hazards that could cause injury. Safety policies put in place by the occupational safety and health administrations. So that is called safety policies. Yeah. What are safety systems? The function of the function of the safety system is to monitor and control conditions on emission or the process that are hazardous. Okay, that is the function of the safety system is to monitor and control conditions on emission that process that hazardous. Potential risks and missions operations, potential damage to mission goods, potential damage to the environment. Okay, system and components must be designed such that they are safe under normal conditions. So something's false will be there, failures and external effect must be on the understand loss of energy. See, if you see particularly these figures, so these are all called personal protection equipment. When you are working in the company, so you have to use Google's and and face mask only for the eye vision, and like gloves, shoes, like belt systems, and so these are all called different safety measurements in the company. Yeah. Why safety is important in the company? Because of injury to the workers or damage to the assets. So that's why safety is important. Injuries, or maybe sometimes it leads to the death. So death to the workers or damage to the assets. Second point, responsible to the society and answerable to the laws of the country, because there's if anything incident happen, there may be a lot of government will involve into the systems, because of there is a rules and regulations, there is a there is a safety policies. So these are all called responsibility of the society. And next, third one, a loss of business opportunity. If you are investing in the company with a crores of rupees and lakhs of rupees, and there is a loss of money, a loss of financial to the for each and everything. Next, business continuity in the equations. If there is a continuity in the industry, if you are working in the industry, if there anything happen, and what will happen? There is no continuity. That means incontinuity in the business. Employees and contractors will lose the morals. If anything happens, without safety precautions, there is a reputation of these causes will the employees will contract, and industrial harmony will be four. That means what, there is a lot of financial losses to the company. Yeah. Four is of the safety. What is four is? If for the first one is engineering, and second one is education, and third one is enlistment, and fourth one is encouragement. Yeah. What is engineering? Safety at the design, equipment, installations stage. Because after these are all conclusions, safety at the design. If you are suppose one equipment is designed in a particularly in the protection way, so there is no chance to get a what loss of damage to the that particular company, that particular equipment. And second one is education, because education is nothing but you have to give the proper knowledge or proper awareness to the employees in the safety department or who are working in the industry. And third one is enlistment. So that concerns attitude of the employees and management toward the program and the purpose. And the last one is encouragement. So we have to give the encouragement to the rules and regulations for the particular employees. Yeah. So these are all called safety tools and equipments. So then we have to use a proper helmet, we have to use a proper gloves, we have to safety jacket and safety shoes. So these are all called what? Safety tools or safety equipment. Okay, that is called PPE. That's why called personal protection equipment. So these are called personal protection equipment. Next, while you are working in the company for the industrial safety, so these are all important for the each and every, not only in the working in the who is the employee in the working in the safety department, and who are also working in the production department, who are also working in the store department, who are working in quality, or you are working in a quality assurance, QA, QC, whatever it may be the department. So there is a personal protection equipment like gloves, helmet, shoes, like these are all common personal protection equipment in the safety department. Sorry. Yeah. What is an industrial accident? So there is an incident and accident. So accident is nothing but without proper time. So that is suddenly happened. That is called accident. Yeah, it can be defined as an accident or occupational accident is an event of accident that suddenly occurs when one or no one of the employees workers are placed. That is called accident. What is the accident? Accident is nothing but it suddenly happens. There is no any reason behind that. There is no any particularly there is no any what any point is not there. So suddenly it happened. That is called what? Accident. Yeah. For instance, in an organization, a person or a laborer while working in receiving an electric current, a laborer cut his finger from the machine. Blast in chemical industry because of various reasons. Fired in textile section. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది. సో సడన్లీ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ touch, right? So then you have to put you have to cut your finger. Otherwise, there is a lot of loss for the particular persons. Yeah. So types of and causes of industrial accident. అంటే ఏ టైప్ ఎలా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. So then, so the first one is technical causes, and second one is human causes. Okay. So third one is mechanical causes. So these are the reasons while you are getting any fire accident or maybe any hazard accident in the company. These are the reasons. Technical, human things, and mechanical. Technical is nothing but while designing the equipment, while in the design problem, there is a technical. Human causes. Human causes nothing but unsafe act. అంటే మనం అక్కడ అవేర్నెస్కి లేకపోవడం, ఇది జరుగుద్దేమో అని మనం అనుకోకపోవడం వల్ల జరిగేది హ్యూమన్ కాజెస్. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ మెకానికల్ కాజెస్, డిజైన్, అరేంజ్మెంట్, guarding, apparel, devices, handling, like different one mechanical causes. Yeah. Cause of accident. So the cause of accident, nothing but sometimes it may be happens in the unsafe conditions, or maybe sometimes it happens in the unacted conditions, maybe. Yeah, already told Bhopal gas tragedy. So once you are checking Google or YouTube, we have a lot of information, a lot of videos regarding Bhopal gas tragedy. Because of Bhopal gas tragedy, so it happens in the night time. So one gas was leaked, that methyl isocyanate. The gas name is methyl isocyanate. So that gas was leaked in the 90s at the time of midnight. So it is spread over surrounding the area or where in the Bhopal, where the plant was established. So there is a lot of lives that died, a lot of persons were died because of that swelling, that there's swelling that inhale the very hazardous gases. So that very one of the India's most dangerous thing is Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay. Yeah. So then before studying about that our safety, in the production. So we had to do some case studies. So this was happened. This was Bhopal tragedy happened in 1984 in India. So that is called toxic material. Around 2,500 immediate fatalities, 20,000 plus total died. See, uh, 20,000 people have died. Many other offset injuries, like number of injuries. That is one. What is the cause of that Bhopal tragedy? Most of the safety systems were not functioning. Many holes and lines were not in a poor condition. There is a these Bhopal tragedy happened in India, but the company related to American people. So American people set the company in India for the 1984. So there is a methyl isocyanate. The gas name is, one gas was leaked in the night time, that spreading over in the night and mixed with air. So that is because of the main reason is methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate is a very colorless liquid and also smellless liquid. It don't have any smell. So because of the reason, the most of the safety system is not good, because in the 1984 in the established in the company in India. So because of so many of that what safety regulations not there in India, and at the same time safety rules and regulations are not there, and even also I think safety department also not there at the time of that. So because of that, lines and walls are not proper in it. Okay. So thank you. I will explain one more thing. Wait. Yeah. So then today's second one is topic is PPE, personal protection equipment. So personal protection equipment is nothing but we use personal protection forever while we are working in the company. We use the personal protections. That means what? What is the personal protection here? So stop the spread of illness, protect their health, protect their client health, protect their family health, protect the community health. So that is the personal protection equipment. Yeah. What is the inbuilt of the PPE? Like we have gowns, aprons, coveralls, shoes covers, hair covers, respirators, masks, goggles, and face shields and gloves. So these are called personal protection equipment. While joined in a company, they will give you the basic personal protection equipment. That is called shoes covers, face covers, respirators. Like these are all called personal protections. Okay. Yeah. Next, PPE gadgets. That is called, first one is mask. There are several types of mask to prevent the spread of infections, diseases. Because already know the importance of the mask. So they vary in the shape, rectangular shape, round shape, and method. So depending upon the type of the operations. Note that masks are not respirators. So they do not protect ever from the airborne transmitted disease, just droplet transmitted diseases. That is called use of the mask. Next, googles. So googles nothing but specs. So you can use the specs or face shield to protect the mucous membranes of the eyes, nose, and mouth during the situations where blood, body fluid secretions or extractions of many splash or sprays. Eyeglasses do not provide an adequate level of protection. Googles cover up the top, front and sides of the eye area, providing the proper protection from the splashes. Yeah, next. In the personal protection equipment, then you can use the respirators. So several types of respirators can be worn to control the spread of infections or disease. A respirator is nothing but you can use from the nose, eyes, and mouth, like these are all called. Respirators vary in size, shape, and level of respiratory protections offered. Unlike masks, respirators must be fit tested before used to ensure they fit properly. Respirators must have a mask to face. Seal must be checked annually to make sure they're providing them. After that, nothing but when you are using the respiratory systems, so it can provide basically while you are highly hazardous materials for the highly hazardous operations, you can use the respiratory systems. Yeah. So how to go about it? Donning PPE. For CDC guidelines, PPE should be donned to the following orders. So that means what apron, shoes, mask, goggles, gloves. Okay. So recommendation sequence of removal PPE. Since gloves are considered contaminated, removes first. The gown can be removed by handing the portion of the gown that glows on the top. After removing PPE, discard immediately and properly to prevent contaminations of the clean area. Because of we are after wearing the PPE, we went to the where the what do you call that for the particularly for the system. So then after that, we have to come back the your work. So you have to clean the that particular systems. Always remember to perform hand hygiene immediately after removing PPE. Yeah. So there is a process will be there for the removal of the PPE. What gloves, goggles. First, you have to remove the gloves, and then you have to remove the goggle, and then you have to remove the apron, and then shoe, and then finally mask or respirator system. Yeah. So keys to workplace safety. Provide supplies for the hand hygienes. All restrooms must have hot water, soap, and paper towels for the proper hand washing. Hand sanitizer should be available to all the visitors and staff placed at the entrance, desks, hallways, staff lounge, and waiting areas. Yeah. Provide PPE in the workplace. Inform staff of the types of PPE that are available in the workplace and where they are located. PPE should be stored in the secure location but should be easily accessible by the staff when needed. A policy should be devised to track PPE use when to replace PPE supply, how to properly dispose of the use of PPE, personal protection equipment. Yeah, any doubt?